Fuck, need some music.
You love the grizzly bears and the redwood trees. You wanna save the whales and the honeybees. You like to pet the chickens and kiss their beaks. Well, I've had about enough of you damn hippie freaks. So keep hugging that tree, 'cause I got a chainsaw. You wanna cuddle the cows and snuggle the pigs. You lay around munching on berries and twigs. You won't eat bacon unless it's made from tofu. There's something really, really fucking wrong with you. Keep hugging that tree, 'cause I got a chainsaw. You want seaweed salad and lentil soup? Why don't you take a fucking shower, 'cause you smell like poop? I'd like to run you off the road in your electric car, 'cause thanks to you I can't smoke in a bar. Keep hugging that tree, 'cause I got a chainsaw. Why don't you move to the forest and live off bark? The stars are awful pretty when it gets real dark, and you'll feel so at peace among nature's grace. You can tell the wolves you love them while they chew off your face. And keep hugging that tree, 'cause I got a chainsaw. Now don't get me wrong, I think nature's great. I've had every kind of varmint on my dinner plate. Why don't you all come over and dine with me? I'm gonna barbecue a panda and it's gluten-free. Keep hugging that tree, 'cause I got a chainsaw. Yeah, keep hugging that tree, 'cause I got a chainsaw.
Well, I guess that means I gotta go fix the old fucking truck. Take this in myself. Let's have got here 3 parts. Hey. Well, hello, gentlemen. Haven't spoken to you fuckers in a while. Welcome to my little cabin in the woods. The perks of being a soldier for hire. Can buy yourself a little fucking cabin in the middle of the sticks of nowhere. Hey, I like it like that. As you know, peace and quiet. It's got a special meaning for me. I've been building this over the last couple of years. It's not going so well, so and I'm not a carpenter's ass. Yeah, but it's mine. Yeah, got some planks cut up there already. Gonna extend this a little bit. As you can see, I got an outhouse, and in winter time gets piss fucking cold out here. And a man's got to have his luxury, so I'm going to put a little bathroom on there with a shower and a flushing toilet. Because winter time, when it's cold, I piss in a bucket inside there. I won't fucking go out there. Okay. My other little problem I still got here is fucking water. Got a pool around the corner here there. But man alive, I'm doing fucking gym. Pump for 2 hours for 2 liters. So at some stage I'm gonna have to put up a tank here and fucking get a fucking second-hand windmill somewhere. So the wind can do my pumping for me. There's always a breeze going here. Talking about a breeze, as you might have heard, chances are good that very shortly we're gonna lose oh yeah, you gotta stay on point there. Some target practice. We're gonna lose a esteemed member of JRAS, SultrySeagul. Sorry guys, just a minute. I gotta feed my fucking habit. I smoke almost as much as my chainsaw. And yeah, you heard the little song, eh? I got a chainsaw. And for you greenies out there, yeah, I cut trees for a living. Gold, money, more gold, more money, huh? Oh yeah, and if that's not enough, I'm gonna piss you off some more. I also fucking hunt. I work for my meat. And if I don't eat meat, I haven't fucking eaten. I'm not a fucking bok, huh? Live on fucking twigs and grass. Blaarslaai. What the fuck? Meat's meat and a man must eat, huh? Old tool shit up there. It's the first thing I bought here. But I really need a mechanic. What if I can convince one of the JRAS mechanics to come out here at some stage, help me fix that fucking tractor. The truck, I broke the back diff the other day on these fucking roads. Sorry, lighting the pipe, but fucking dies on me in this wind. Getting back to Sultry. Yourselves, my man, I don't know what to say. Fuck, can you miss you, but got me in some tight situations. Got me out of some tight situations. But I understand your reasoning. I understand swapping one shithole for another shithole might be just the thing to do. Family comes first, eh? And, yeah, that little country that you got going there, it's beautiful. Actually like the people. And fuck, everybody knows I don't like people. Talking about people and the meat fuckers. Sorry, this is just fucking milling in my head because I had some stupid motherfucker. Little town is over there about 80 k's down the road. So I went in to get some tobacco and some of the other necessaries we all need to fucking stay alive. And this fucking hippie kind sidles up to me and says, "How can you do that? How can you eat that?" Well, fuck you, motherfucker. I eat meat. And that's the reason also I don't like people. I don't like fucking towns. There's too many people, and people confoculates me. Never know what the fuckers are thinking. Stay away, you motherfuckers. This is my place. Yeah, I'm king, judge, jury. I want to take a piss on the grass in front here, that's what I do. If I want to take a dump, I go behind the tree there and I take a dump. Yeah, I got out after. But in any case, it's nicer sitting out in the bush listening to the animals and the birds and the winds in the tree. Salt, man. Jesus, I hope it works out for you and Aussie, eh? Been there. Don't like the Aussie people too much. Find them opinionated. With ego so big, it's fucking dragging a fucking strap behind them in the ground. Almost as bad as the Americans, eh? Always bigger and better. Hey, but, and if you get tired of the kangaroos fucking jumping up and down, you start fucking bobbing yourself. Come back to this Africa shithole. My door's open. You can stay with me anytime. I listen to that window. No, that's another thing. Sure, most of you deducted that I'm not much of a Christian. I was brought up in the Christian ways, but it never fucking took. Hey, and I'm not being derogatory or fucking anything like that, so before everybody starts jumping on my balls, I'm a pagan, okay? That's who and what I am. It works for me. If you're a Christian and it works for you, well, fuck it. Have conviction in yourself. Me, I revere the 4 elements, earth, wind, fire, and water. And the rules they abide by, I abide by. Salty, getting back to you, freedom of choice. Something. Yeah, what's the greatest illusion in life? Think about it. Freedom. You're never really free, but never fucking ever. Take you Christians for example. Even in death, you're not free, because the choice is going to be made for you. You're either going to go up there and see the little angels with their pretty little wings, and they're going to rub you down and put oil on your feet and throw a little white fucking sheet over your head, and you can go off skipping into the fields forever after. Or you're going to meet old devil boy. And what's up with that fucker? I want to meet that motherfucker one day. I want to grab him by the nose and say, what the fuck's up with you? Right? Why you make fucking life so hard for the Christian people on earth? Fucking life's hard enough as it is, Fucking chill, but. Old devil boy, Any case, Salty, I just wanted to wish you luck, but. And, stay safe and stay in touch. And I think from all of us here at JRAS and from myself, I salute you.